How to manage downloads on Opera mini browser app. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the downloads on Opera easily. So first thing, this is the home page. Now go down here, click on the Opera and go to the settings. Now scroll down until you find the downloads option. Click on it, and right here, as you can see, you can manage your downloads easily. You can change your download folder, you can add, turn on or turn off the download list. You can manage everything as I said. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.